Hello guys, welcome to this session. Today we are going to discuss MCQs on Stone Age or Prehistoric Age in Ancient History. So if you love the session, please like the video, and if anyone is visiting the channel for the first time, subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon also. So before starting the MCQs, let me take some overview. So what is history? History is derived from the Greek word historia, meaning inquiry. It means to get knowledge by studying the past. Further, history is divided into three categories, that is prehistory, proto-history and history. अगर हम बात करें प्री हिस्ट्री की, सो जितने भी इवेंट्स हुए थे बिफोर द इन्वेंशन ऑफ राइटिंग, तो उनको रखा जाता है प्री हिस्ट्री के अंडर, जिसमें कि स्टोन एज आता है. स्टोन एज बिलोंग्स टू प्री हिस्ट्री. ओके, नेक्स्ट है प्रोटो हिस्ट्री. सो जितना भी टाइम पीरियड या जितनी भी इवेंट्स रहे थे प्री हिस्ट्री और हिस्ट्री के बीच में, उनको रखा गया है अंडर द प्रोटो हिस्ट्री की कैटेगरी में. अगर हम बात करें फॉर एग्जांपल हड़प्पा सिविलाइजेशन की, सो हड़प्पा सिविलाइजेशन इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ प्रोटो हिस्ट्री, क्योंकि उस टाइम राइटिंग का इन्वेंशन तो हो चुका था बट उसको जो है रीड आउट करना इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके, नेक्स्ट है हिस्ट्री. सो द स्टडी ऑफ द पास्ट आफ्टर द इन्वेंशन ऑफ राइटिंग इज नोन एज हिस्ट्री. फर्दर देखिए, जो प्री हिस्ट्री है इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज द स्टोन एज एंड इज फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू थ्री कैटेगरी, दैट इज पैलियोलिथिक, इट मीन्स ओल्ड स्टोन एज. सेकेंड कैटेगरी इज मीजोलिथिक, मीन्स मिडल स्टोन एज, एंड नेक्स्ट इज नियोलिथिक, इट मीन्स न्यू स्टोन एज. जो पैलियोलिथिक और ओल्ड स्टोन एज है इसको फर्दर थ्री पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है, दैट इज लोअर पैलियोलिथिक एज, मिडल पैलियोलिथिक एज एंड अपर पैलियोलिथिक एज. जो लोअर पैलियोलिथिक एज है उसको और क्या कहा जाता है, सो इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज आइस एज. जो अदर इम्पॉर्टेंट एज है वो है ब्रॉन्ज एज और चैल्कोलिथिक एज. चैल्कोलिथिक एज को जो है कॉपर एज प्लस स्टोन एज भी कहा जाता है. एंड जो नेक्स्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एज है वो है आयरन एज और आयरन पीरियड, राइट. एंड हियर आई मेंशन द ऑल इम्पॉर्टेंट साइट्स विच बिलोंग्स टू पैलियोलिथिक एज. आप इनको देख सकते हो, जैसे ये बेलन वैली दी हुई है, ये कौन से स्टेट में पड़ती है, ये आती है उत्तर प्रदेश में. आपको यहाँ से यही याद रखना है, राइट. नेक्स्ट है इम्पॉर्टेंट मीजोलिथिक साइट्स. तो आपको वीडियो को पॉज करना है और इनको यहाँ से इतना याद रखना है कि ये साइट जो है, जैसे बेगौर है तो ये कहाँ पर लोकेटेड है, राजस्थान में. और कौन सी साइट पर, अगर किसी कोई इंपॉर्टेंट साइट है वहाँ पर किस चीज़ के एविडेंस मिले हैं, आपको ये याद रखना है. तो आप वीडियो को पॉज करके इन सभी को जो है अच्छे से रीड आउट कीजिएगा. तो हम शुरुआत करते हैं अब फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से. तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, वो अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ इंडियन प्री हिस्ट्री. ए ऑप्शन इज रॉबर्ट ब्रूस फूट, C option is Alexander Cunningham, and D option is Mortimer Wheeler, and D option is John Marshall. So right answer is option A, that is Robert Bruce Ford is known as the father of Indian prehistory. Next question is threefold division into the Stone Age, Copper Age, and Iron Age was made from the materials of the Copenhagen Museum by A option is Thompson, B is Lufa, C option is Taylor, and D option is Child. So right answer is option A, that is Thomas. Next question is, where in the Indian subcontinent has the earliest evidence of agriculture been found? A option is Lothar, B is Harappa, C option is Mehergarh, and D option is Mudankak. So right answer आएगा option C, that is Mehergarh, and this Mehergarh site located in Pakistan. Okay. Next question is, Iran and Nagra are leading sites of which culture? A option is Jorwe culture, B is Rangpur culture, C option is Malwa culture, and D option is Savlada culture. Right answer is option C, that is Malwa culture. Guys, here I mentioned all the important culture. So आप यहाँ से मोस्टली क्वेश्चन बनता है एग्जाम में, तो आपको बेसिकली याद क्या करना है, आपको देखना है जैसे कि कौन सा कल्चर जो है कौन सी रीजन से या कौन सी स्टेट से बिलोंग करता था, और ये कल्चर जो है कौन सी रिवर के किनारे फ्लरिश हुआ था, राइट. यही इंपॉर्टेंट बनता है यहाँ से. तो आपको ये सारे कल्चर देख लेने हैं और इनको अलग से नोट डाउन कर लीजिएगा अपनी कॉपी में, राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, The Prakasha, Daimabad and Inamgaon are leading sites of which culture? A option is Rangpur, B is Jorwe culture, C option is Prabhas culture, and D option is Malwa culture. So right answer is option B, that is Jorwe culture. Next question is, what is the Southeast Rajasthan culture called? A option is Kaitha culture, B is Prabhas culture, C option is Savlada culture, and D option is Ahara culture. So right answer आएगा option D, that is Ahara culture. Next question is, food grain cultivation first began in A option is Neolithic period, B is Mesolithic period, C option is Paleolithic period, and D option is none of these. So right answer is option A, that is Neolithic period. Neolithic means new stone age, right? Next question is, in the context of the Mesolithic period in India, ornaments made of bones have been found in A option is Sarai Nahar Rai, B option is Mahadha, C option is Lekhaiya, D option is झोपड़ी मांडो. तो राइट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज महादा. साइट पे जो है ऑर्नामेंट्स मिले हैं जो कि बने हुए थे हड्डियों के. और ये महादा साइट कहाँ पर लोकेटेड है? तो इन प्रतापगढ़ उत्तर प्रदेश में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज भीमबेटका केव्स इज फेमस फॉर. ए ऑप्शन इज केव पेंटिंग, बी इज मिनरल, सी ऑप्शन इज बुद्धिस्ट स्कल्पचर एंड डी ऑप्शन इज ओरिजिन ऑफ द रिवर सोन. So right answer option A, that is Bhimbetka cave is famous for cave painting. Next question is, where are the caves of Bhimbetka located? A option is Bhopal, B is Panchmari, C option is Singrauli and D option is Abdullaganj Raisan. So right answer is option D, that is Abdullaganj Raisan in Madhya Pradesh. Next question is, which of the following sites is famous for prehistoric painting? A option is Ajanta, B is Bhimbetka, C option is Bagh and D option is Amravati. So right answer is option B, that is Bhimbetka cave in Madhya Pradesh is famous for the prehistoric painting. Next question is, megalith monuments have been identified as. A option is monks caves, B is burial site for dead, C option is temples and D option is none of the above. So right answer is option B, that is burial site for the dead. Next question is, where is the Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Manav Sangralaya situated? A option is Guwahati, B is Bastar, C option is Bhopal and D is Chennai. So right answer is option C, that is Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh. Next question is, which region saw the development of the Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic age? A option is the Ganga Valley, B is the Indus Valley, C option is the Narmada Valley and D option is none of these. So right answer is option C, that is Narmada Valley. Next question is, evidence of quick dwelling has been found in. A option is Burja Home, B option is Koldiava, C option is Brahmagiri and D option is Sangankali. So right answer option A, that is Burja Home, and ये site located है in Kashmir. Burja Home and Guf Kral in Kashmir is known for the evidence of quick dwelling. Okay. Next question is, where is the earliest evidence of man found in India? A option is Nilgiri Hills, B is Shivalik Hills, C option is Nalamala Hills and D option is Narmada Valley. So right answer is option D, that is Narmada Valley. And the evidence of man found in the western Narmada region of Madhya Pradesh. It was discovered in the year 1982 and this Narmada human, also known as Narmada man, which belongs to the category of Homo erectus, which precedes the Homo sapiens, the modern human species. Next question is, name the site where the earliest evidence of settled life has been found. A option is Dholavira site, B is Kila Gul Muhammad, C option is Kalibangan and D option is Mehergarh. So right answer is option D, that is Mehergarh. और Mehergarh site located है on the bank of Bolan river, which is a tributary of Indus river. Okay. Next question है, from which two site is the earliest evidence of domestication of animals found? A option is Begor and Adamgarh, B option is Bhimbetka and Mehergarh, C option is Burja Home and Gufkral, and D option is none of these. So right answer option A, that is Begor and Adamgarh. और जो बेगोर साइट है वो लोकेटेड है राजस्थान में एंड आदमगढ़ साइट लोकेटेड है मध्य प्रदेश में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इन विच स्टेट इज नवदा टोली लोकेटेड? ए ऑप्शन इज गुजरात, बी इज महाराष्ट्र, सी इज छत्तीसगढ़ एंड डी ऑप्शन इज मध्य प्रदेश. तो राइट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज नवदा टोली साइट लोकेटेड इन मध्य प्रदेश. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, वो एक्सकवेटेड नवदा टोली साइट? ए ऑप्शन इज के.डी. वाजपेयी, बी ऑप्शन इज वी.एस. वानकोकर, C option is H.D. Sankalia and D option is Mortimer Wade. So right answer option C, that is H.D. Sankalia. Next question is, the Archaeological Survey of India is associated office of which of the following department or ministry? A option is Culture, B is Tourism, C option is Science and Technologies and D option is HRD department. So right answer आएगा option A, that is Archaeological Survey of India is associated office of Culture Ministry. Next question is, the first cereal used by man was? A option is wheat, B is rice, C option is barley and D option is bajra. So right answer option A, that is wheat. Next question is, which was the first metal to be used after the end of the Neolithic age? A option is iron, B is copper, C is tin and D option is bronze. So right answer is option B, that is copper. Next question is, from which rock dwelling in the Vidyan region has the largest number of skeletons been found? A option is Morhona Hill, B is Gagaria, C option is Baghai Khor, and D option is Lekhaiya. So right answer option D, that is Lekhaiya. Next question is, in which of the following site dog skeleton has been found from the along with human skeleton? A option is Brahmagiri, B option is Burjahom, C option is Harappa, and D option is Maski. Right answer is option B, that is Burjahom, और बुरजाहोम साइट लोकेटेड है कश्मीर में. Next question is, at which of the following archaeological site have cultural remains from the Stone Age culture to the Harappan civilization has been found? A option is Amri, B is Mehergarh, C option is Kotiji, and D option is Kalibangan. So right answer option B, that is Mehergarh. Mehergarh in Pakistan, and Mehergarh site is also the oldest Neolithic site. Next question is the main Neolithic site from eastern India. A option is Chirand, B is Jorwe, C option is Adamgarh, and D option is all of the above. So right answer is option B, that is Jorwe. Next question is, according to excavated evidences, cattle rearing began in A option is Lower Paleolithic Age, B is Middle Paleolithic Age, C option is Upper Stone Age, and D option is Mesolithic Age. So right answer option D, that is Mesolithic Age. Mesolithic Age means Middle Stone Age. Okay. Next question is, the site where evidence of cattle rearing has been found in the Mesolithic context is A option is Langnaj, B option is Bhirbanpur, C option is Adamgarh, and D option is Jhopri Mandu. So right answer आएगा option C, that is Adamgarh. Next question is, Mound of Ash belongs to which Neolithic site? A option is Burihal, B option is Sangankalu, C option is Mahada, and D option is Brahmagiri. So right answer आएगा option B, that is Sangankalu, और ये site located है कर्नाटका में. Next question is, which of the following is also called as Chalcolithic Age? A option is Paleolithic Age, B is Neolithic Age, C option is Copper Age or Bronze Age, and D option is Iron Age. So right answer आएगा option C, that is Copper Age or Bronze Age. Next question is, 3 human skeletons from the same grave have been found in A option is Sarai Nahar Rai, B option is Damdama, C option is Mahadha, and D option is Langnaj. So right answer आएगा option B, that is Damdama in Pratapgarh district in Uttar Pradesh. So that's it for today guys. I hope that you love the content. Please like the video. We will meet soon in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care.